Everybody is talking about the FIFA World Cup. Fans are excited to watch their favorite teams battle for glory. But while millions of people are preparing to watch football, a small group of creators are preparing to cash in on one of the biggest attention events on the planet. And today I'm going to show you exactly how football creators are using TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and long form videos to generate millions of views during major football tournaments. Now, before we start, I need to make one thing clear. There is no magic button that guarantees $100,000. Anyone who tells you that is lying. But what I can show you is the exact process that successful football creators use to grow fast and create content that has the potential to earn serious money when billions of people are paying attention to the same event. So if you're ready to learn, let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that football content isn't really about football, it's about attention. Every 4 years, something incredible happens. People who normally don't watch football suddenly start searching for football content. They want match predictions, they want goal reactions, they want funny moments, they want player stories, they want controversies, they want transfer rumors, they want everything. This means the demand for football content explodes overnight, and whenever demand explodes, creators have an opportunity. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking they need expensive cameras, expensive computers, or professional editing skills. You don't. In fact, many football pages with millions of followers started with nothing more than a smartphone and a free editing app. What matters isn't your equipment, what matters is your content strategy. So, the first thing we're going to do is choose a niche. Most beginners fail because they try to post everything. One day they are posting Ronaldo, the next day they are posting Messi, the next they are posting transfer news, the next day they're posting funny football videos. The algorithm gets confused because it doesn't know who to show the content to. Instead, pick one niche. You can focus on football edits, you can focus on football facts, you can focus on football news, you can focus on football stories, you can focus on football motivation. Personally, if I were starting today, I would choose football edits and football storytelling. Why? Well, if you were to ask me, because these two categories generate insane watch time, and watch time is one of the most important factors for growth and monetization on YouTube especially. Now let's create our first football shot. First of all, open CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, download it from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. It's free and one of the easiest editing apps for beginners. Once you're inside CapCut, create a new project, import your football clips. Now here's where many people make a huge mistake. They leave boring moments inside the video. Never do that. The average viewer decides within seconds whether they are staying or leaving. That means every second matters. Cut out anything boring. Keep only the exciting moments, the dribbles, the celebrations, the reactions, the save, the goals, the emotions. Once you've done that, add your music. Music is extremely important because it controls emotion. A powerful soundtrack can make an average clip feel legendary. After adding music, use auto captions. This is something many beginners ignore. A huge percentage of viewers watch videos without sound. If your videos doesn't have captions, you're losing viewers. Turn on auto captions and place them where they're easy to read. Next, add zoom effect. When a player is about to score, zoom in slightly. When a celebration happens, zoom in. When an emotional reaction appears, zoom in. These small moments make videos feel more dynamic. Then add sound effects, crowd noises, whooshes, impact sounds, whistles. All of these effects help increase viewer retention. Now let's talk about the most important part of this video, the hook. Your hook determines whether people stay or leave. You can have the greatest edit in the world, but if the opening is weak, nobody will watch. Instead of starting with a random football clip, start with a statement that creates curiosity. For example, this goal changed football forever. Or nobody expected Ronaldo to do this. Or this is the moment Messi shocked the world. Notice something. These hooks create questions, and humans naturally want answers. That's what keeps people watching. Now let's move to storytelling. Storytelling is one of the easiest ways to grow a football channel because people don't just love football, they love stories. Imagine starting a video with this. At 16 years old, this player was told he would never become a professional footballer. Immediately, people become curious. Then you explain his struggles, his failures, his setbacks, the people who doubted him, and finally his success. That structure works over and over and over again. Hook. Problem, struggle, breakthrough, victory, that's storytelling, and it works incredibly well on every platform, especially on YouTube. Now let's talk about posting. Now, one of the biggest lies online is that you need perfect videos. You don't. You need consistency. A creator who uploads one good video every month will always lose to a creator who uploads 3 videos every day. During the World Cup, speed is everything. When a big moment happens, people rush to social media. If Mbappe scores a stunning goal, millions of people start searching for that moment. If Ronaldo breaks a record, millions start searching. If there's a controversial referee decision, millions start discussing it. The creators who post first often get rewarded with massive reach. That's why successful football creators prepare before matches even start. They already have their editing templates ready, their captions ready, their transitions ready, their sounds ready. So when something happens, they can create content immediately. Another thing many people don't realize is that you shouldn't rely on only one platform. If you're making football shorts, post it everywhere. Post it on TikTok, post it on YouTube Shorts, post it on Instagram Reels, post it on Facebook Reels. One video can work on 4 platforms at the same time. That's how smart creators multiply their reach. Now let's discuss titles. Titles matter more than most people think. Compare these 2 titles, Messi Go or the goal Messi fans will never forget. Which one would you think would be clickable? Exactly. The second title creates curiosity. Always focus on curiosity, not clickbait. Curiosity. There's a difference. What you want people to generally want to know what happens next. Now, here's something most creators never talk about. The first videos will probably not go viral, and that's okay. Most successful football channels started with terrible videos. The difference is that they kept improving. They studied what worked, they analyzed successful creators, they learned new editing techniques, and they continued uploading. Every video teaches you something, every upload gives you data, every failure makes you better. Eventually, one video takes off, then another, and suddenly the channel starts growing. This is where most people quit. They upload 5 videos, get no views, and stop because the creators who win are the creators who keep going. The World Cup creates one of the biggest opportunities in content creation because billions of eyes are focused on the same event. And while most people are simply consuming content, creators are producing it. That's the difference. So if I wanted to make $100,000 from the World Cup, my strategy would be simple. Choose a football niche. Create multiple videos every day. Focus on storytelling. Use strong hooks. Post on every platform. Stay consistent and move fast whenever major football moments happen. Because attention is the real currency of the internet. And during the FIFA World Cup, attention is everywhere. The question is whether you're going to watch the opportunity pass by or create content and take advantage of it. The choice is yours. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and leave a like. Thank you.